Several news sources from around the world are saying that Samsung is still working on a thinner version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 called the Q6A. Although recent rumors said that Samsung had stopped developing this phone, the presence of test software suggests that they are still working on it. Based on the reports, making the Q6A is going to be a big challenge. The Korea Economic Daily says that Samsung's CEO TM Roh told the engineers to design a phone that is only 7.7mm thick when closed and weighs less than 239 grams. To give you an idea, the Q6A would be thinner than both the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which is 12.1mm thick when closed, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which is 8.6mm thick. It's not clear how Samsung plans to make their foldable phone 5mm thinner. None of the reports explain how they will do it, but the company might make the device wider instead. Honor just released its thinnest foldable phone yet, the Magic E3, which is 9.2mm thick when folded. When opened, the screen inside is 7.92 inches. The Z Fold 6, on the other hand, has a 7.6-inch screen. To make it super thin phone, Samsung might need to make the screen a bit bigger, maybe even more than that. Samsung has made thinner foldable phones before. For example, the original Galaxy Fold had a 7.3-inch main screen and was 17.1mm thick when folded. No one knows exactly how big the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim or Z Fold 6 Ultra, as some call it, will be. However, a leak from early July says the inner screen will be a large 8 inches diagonally. A new report from All Around PC says Samsung is developing a device with the codename Q6A. It will be released in China and South Korea in October 2024. Although the name for the South Korean market isn't confirmed yet, it is expected to be called the W25 in China. Earlier rumors suggested that the new foldable phone will be thinner and have a larger screen than the Galaxy Z Fold 6. It is expected to have better features, including a titanium frame, but it won't support the S Pen. Some reports say it might have a bigger battery and improved cameras, but there's no definite information yet. If the news about the Galaxy Z Fold 6 launch is true, it will be released around the same time as the Galaxy Tab S10. Another recent report mentioned that Samsung might reveal its first XR headset in October 2024. This means all these devices could be announced at the same event. Also, but last week a rumor spread that this Ultra version was cancelled. Luckily, new information suggests that Samsung hasn't stopped working on it yet. So if you like the idea of an Ultra foldable phone, there's still hope. Our friends at Galaxy Club found new evidence that Samsung is still working on the mysterious Galaxy Z Fold model we're calling Ultra. They discovered that Samsung is testing new software for a device with the model number SMF958N. This test software is being used in countries with the codes KOO, KTC, SKC, and LUC. It's important to note that this test software wasn't on Samsung's servers last week, but is now. This means Samsung has made some progress with the Ultra model. However, there's never a guarantee that a product will be sold until it's officially released, so we'll have to wait and see what happens. Another thing to remember is that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra might be made just for the South Korean market. This isn't new information, but the firmware number and country codes found on Samsung's test servers make this idea more likely. All the country codes are for South Korea. Even if Samsung plans to release a new foldable phone, this mysterious Galaxy Z Fold device probably won't come out before the end of the year. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section.